With its rapidly growing population and increasing urbanization, the African continent presents a significant opportunity for the diaper, paper towel, and tissue industries. The growing middle class, coupled with rising disposable incomes, is driving demand for hygiene products. This guide will explore the steps in launching a successful business in this African sector, including market analysis, machinery procurement, and marketing strategies. With the population boom, urbanization, and growing demand for hygiene products, now is the perfect time to tap into this billion-dollar industry. Let's explore the vast opportunities Africa offers, the machinery you'll need, and the best marketing strategies to help you stand out. Africa's population is projected to reach 2.5 billion by 2050. With the growing middle class driving higher consumption of disposable diapers, tissues, and paper towels. The continent's young population and the rapid urbanization are key drivers of increased demand for convenience and hygiene products. These essentials are used daily by families, hospitals, schools, and businesses. However, a major gap exists. There's low local manufacturing and high reliance on imports, creating a huge opportunity for local businesses to meet this demand at competitive prices. Growing middle class. Increased purchasing power is leading to more consumption of hygiene products. Health and hygiene. Awareness. Governments and NGOs are pushing for better sanitation and hygiene standards, boosting demand for tissues, diapers, and paper towels. Lower competition. Unlike industries such as beverages or snacks, hygiene products have relatively low local competition, meaning you have a head start. Economic growth. Many African countries are experiencing steady economic growth, further increasing demand for consumer goods like tissues and diapers. Supply chain gaps. Importing these products is costly. By producing locally, you can lower prices and outcompete foreign brands while saving on shipping and import duties. Population demographics. Understanding the age distribution, income levels, and urbanization rates in target markets is crucial. Identify regions with the highest potential for diaper, paper towel, and tissue consumption. Cultural norms and preferences. Consider cultural factors that may influence product preferences, such as brand loyalty, packaging, and pricing. Research local customs and traditions related to hygiene and sanitation. Competitive landscape. Analyze existing players in the market, their product offerings, market share, and pricing strategies. Identify potential gaps and opportunities to differentiate your business. Government regulations. Familiarize yourself with relevant government regulations, including import-export duties, health and safety standards, and environmental regulations. Compliance with these regulations is essential for operating legally and sustainably. Let's dive into the specific products you'll be manufacturing: diapers, paper towels, and tissue paper. Each of these products serves a different purpose, but they share common demand drivers. Diapers. Usage. Primarily for infants, but there's also a growing market for adult diapers due to aging populations. Demand drivers. High birth rates, hospital needs, and daycares. Opportunity. Offer eco-friendly and affordable alternatives to imported brands. Paper towels. Usage. Homes, restaurants, offices, and businesses use these for cleaning and hygiene purposes. Demand drivers. Rising hygiene standards in public and private sectors. Opportunity. Create strong, absorbent paper towels suitable for African climates and needs. Tissues. Usage. Personal hygiene, especially in homes, offices, hotels, and public restrooms. Demand drivers. Increasing awareness about hygiene and health. Opportunity. Manufacture soft, high-quality, yet affordable tissue products. To start producing high-quality diapers, paper towels, and tissues, you'll need the right machinery. Let's break down the essential machines for each product type, covering both semi-automatic and full automatic industrial options. Diaper manufacturing machines. Semi-automatic diaper making machine. Perfect for startups, allows you to produce moderate quantities with a lower investment. Fully automatic diaper making machine. Produces diapers at a larger scale with less manual labor. It can integrate various processes like elastic attachment and tape application. Paper towel machines. Paper towel rewinding machine. Converts large paper rolls into paper towels and rolls them up. Some machines have embossing functions to add texture to the towels. Folding and cutting machine for producing folded paper towels, used in many public spaces. Tissue paper machines. Tissue paper making machine. Produces tissue paper in large rolls that can be cut and packaged. Embossing machine. Adds designs or textures to tissue paper, giving it a premium feel. Packaging machines. For wrapping and sealing your products. Packaging plays a significant role in product presentation and preservation. Waste paper recycling machines. Optional. If you want to establish an eco-friendly brand, recycling waste paper into new products can be a great value add. Next, let's talk about how to set up your factory. You'll need a space with sufficient room for machines, raw materials, and finished product storage. Here's a basic layout of how you can organize your factory for maximum efficiency. Factory size. Estimate a space of about 500 to 1,000 square meters, depending on your production scale. Raw material storage. Set aside space for pulp, cellulose, and other materials used in manufacturing. Production line. Efficient arrangement of machines in sequence to ensure a smooth flow of production from raw material input to finished product output. Quality control area. Set up a small area for testing the durability, absorbency, and safety of your products. Packaging area. Allocate a section for packing and labeling your products before distribution. Waste management. Implement waste recycling or proper disposal methods to minimize environmental impact. Having great products is just the start. To truly succeed in this business, you need a strong marketing strategy. Let's explore how to position your brand, target customers, and sell your products. Target market segmentation. Diapers. Focus on parents, hospitals, daycares, and elderly care homes. Partner with local clinics and maternity centers to introduce your diaper products. Paper towels and tissues. Market to both homes and businesses. Partner with hotels, restaurants, and offices for bulk purchases. Branding. Build a strong, recognizable brand. Emphasize quality, affordability, and sustainability. Develop eco-friendly products, like biodegradable diapers or tissues, to appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. Local distribution partnerships. Work with supermarkets, pharmacies, and small retail stores to get your products on shelves. Establish a robust distribution network, especially in underserved regions. Take advantage of Africa's growing e-commerce space. Sell your products through online platforms, ensuring easy access for consumers. Partner with local logistics companies for smooth deliveries. Production capacity. Determine the desired production capacity based on market demand and projected growth. Consider factors such as raw material availability, labor costs, and energy consumption. Equipment selection. Choose machinery that is suitable for producing diapers, paper towels, and tissues. Consider factors such as efficiency, reliability, and cost-effectiveness. Explore options from domestic and international suppliers. Raw material sourcing. Identify reliable suppliers of raw materials, including pulp, non-woven fabrics, and adhesives. Consider factors such as quality, pricing, and delivery times. Quality control. Invest in quality control equipment and procedures to ensure that your products meet industry standards and customer expectations. Use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok to run engaging campaigns and ads targeting parents and businesses. Partner with local influencers to promote your products, especially eco-friendly or innovative items like biodegradable diapers. Branding. Develop a strong brand identity that resonates with your target audience. Consider factors such as brand name, logo, and messaging. Distribution channels. Establish a robust distribution network to reach your target customers effectively. Explore options such as supermarkets, pharmacies, convenience stores, and online retailers. Pricing strategy. Determine a competitive pricing strategy that balances profitability with market demand. Consider factors such as production costs, market positioning, and customer perception of value. Promotion and advertising. Utilize a mix of marketing channels including traditional advertising, TV, radio, print, digital marketing, social media, online advertising, and public relations to create awareness and drive sales. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service to build loyalty and positive word of mouth. Consider offering customer support channels such as phone, email, and social media. The diaper, paper towel, and tissue industry in Africa offers significant opportunities for entrepreneurs. By conducting thorough market research, investing in quality machinery, and implementing effective marketing strategies, you can establish a successful business in this growing sector. Remember to prioritize customer satisfaction, sustainability, and financial management to ensure long-term success. With the right machinery, efficient production, and smart marketing, you can not only make profits but also contribute to Africa's self-sufficiency in hygiene products. Now is the time to act and seize this opportunity.